Hey everybody, Blaise here, and have you ever wanted to learn how to animate on paper? This is the way we used to do it all through the 90s. Well, it's the way Disney did it since the very beginning, and it's really becoming kind of a lost art, I'm finding. So many people are fascinated by the fact that we used to animate on paper and create our entire feature films this way. Well, we've decided to go ahead and do a live event where I'm going to teach you for a full day how to animate on paper. So on Saturday, August 20th, we're going to go all day. I'm going to teach you the basics of paper animation, and we're going to take you through all, how to create a scene. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to flip the paper. If you can see here, I'm actually flipping the paper and I can see the movement of the animation. This is how we created shot after shot for our films. I'm going to talk to you about the first thing that I ever animated, a bouncing ball, to show you timing, squash and stretch. We're going to talk about the flour sack. We're going to talk about character expressions. I'm also going to talk about timing charts and charting your animation. We're going to shoot our tests. We're going to play them back. I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. And it's one of those things that it's kind of, like I said, it's kind of becoming a lost art. And I want you guys to know how to do it. It's really, once you understand the basics, once you understand the flipping, how to kind of see the animation, how to see that movement, light bulbs will go off and you can create your own animation at home. You don't need software. You don't need all these different things. You just need a stack of paper, a pencil, and you can create some magic. So this is something I'm really excited about. Once again, it's going to be August 20th, this coming August 20th, Saturday. It's going to be a full day event starting at 11 a.m. Eastern time, and we're going to have a lot of fun doing that. Now, if you've already got animation supplies, don't worry, you don't have to buy anything. But if you need animation supplies, we've got a peg bar, we've got 100 sheets of paper right here, and we've got a light table right here if you want a light table. All of these we're going to provide links for. They're on Amazon. The whole pack right here is under $40. If you don't want the light table, peg bar, paper, under $20. It's great. And remember, spots are limited. So head on over to creatureartteacher.com/live and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.